I bet you have never tried this stuffed pomfret recipe before. It's wholesome and you won't be needing anything else. So let's start without further ado. But before that, I want to wish you all a very happy Durga Pujo. It's Shoptami today and I did some Pujo pandal hopping. So here's a few glints. Now let's make my stuffed pomfret recipe. The key ingredient after the fish is the coconut. So here I've taken 1 cup of coconut for the stuffing. Try using a tender one which is sweet and will give you a rich malai. Next for the filling we'll need 4 to 5 green chillies. Now that's totally up to the amount of heat you can handle. Balance it out accordingly. We'll also need 4 big cloves of garlic, 8 to 10 thick stems of coriander as shown here in the video, and some lime juice for the acidity. Now in goes some sugar to enhance the sweetness from the coconut and a little haldi powder. Add some water here to help blend smoothly and make it into a thick paste. The filling must look something like this. The consistency should not be runny here. Now set it aside and let's work on the fish. Here I've taken a whole pomfret. A big fish is recommended for this recipe since there is stuffing included. Now I'm going to make 2 pockets here, watch carefully. Cutting from the head to the tail, remember to cut the slit on the back of the fish and not on the belly. Follow the process here as I'm showing to get an idea. After cutting the 2 pockets, marinate the fish with salt, turmeric and red chilli powder and leave for some time. The next step includes stuffing the fish with the filling we prepared earlier. Stuff the pockets nicely. Follow the video as I'm showing it here. Once you have completed one side, follow along with the other as well. This recipe is so wholesome that you won't be needing anything else while eating. Pairs best with plain white rice. While the fish rests, let's prepare the coating. The outer coating of the fish needs to be crispy, so here I've taken some cornflour. Rice flour also works as an excellent alternative. And here goes equal amount of semolina. Mix them all together and our coating is ready. Now coat each fish from all sides. Dust the rest and keep the fish aside while you heat the frying pan. Add some neutral oil here. I added some vegetable oil and fried the fish nicely from both sides. When it's done, serve it hot with some steamed white rice. The coconut filling in the fish gives it a rich flavor which will remind you of the coast. The milk from the coconut will help tenderize the fish such that it will melt in your mouth. Pair the filling with white rice for best results. You need to try this as soon as possible, so do try this at home this weekend and let me know. You won't regret it, trust me. That's all for today. I hope you loved the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the red button, press the bell icon. It will mean so much to me. Once again, happy Durga Pujo. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.